A high salary doesn't automatically make you wealthy. The real question is where your money goes. Income can increase your opportunities, but your habits decide your financial future. As income grows, many people simply spend more. This is called lifestyle inflation. Many people earn more every year, but they save almost nothing because every dollar is already spent. Wealth isn't determined by how much you earn, it's determined by how much you keep. High-interest debt quietly steals your future income before you even earn it. A simple budget gives every dollar a purpose before you spend it.
Pay yourself first. Saving should be your first bill, not your last.
An emergency fund protects your financial progress when life surprises you. A good salary is only the beginning. Smart money habits are what truly build wealth. The easiest way to save money is to automate it. You can't spend what you never see. You never see. Your financial future grows the same way a tree does, through small, consistent actions every day. Waiting just one day before buying something can save you thousands over time. Wealthy people focus on buying assets that grow in value, not liabilities that drain their income. Every dollar you save and every debt you eliminate moves you closer to financial freedom. Financial success isn't about luck. It's about making smart decisions together, month after month.
Wealth isn't built overnight. It's built through patience, consistency, and disciplined habits.
The choices you make today decide which future version of yourself becomes reality. Freedom begins the moment you take control of your money, instead of letting money control you. Remember, a good salary can improve your life, but smart change your future. Subscribe to Clean Money Guide for more simple money lessons.